Hello friends, Earth Google Doodle shows the brutal reality of the climate change. On April 2022, Earth 2022, Google has replaced their homepage logo with a series of time-lapse animations showing the harsh reality of the climate change. In this Earth 2022 Google Doodle, people around the world will see one of four time-lapse animations showing the gradual effects of climate change on a part of the world over the course of months or years. Every few hours, Google will change to a different animation. The first climate change animation to be shown on homepage features Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Africa. Over the course of December 1986 to December 2023, you can see the mountain's glacier steadily and significantly shrink. Later in the morning, things will change over to an even more stark instance of glacier retreat occurring in Seremersook, Greenland between 2000 and 2020. In the afternoon, things will switch to an animation of the chloral bleaching occurring near Lizard Island in the Great Barrier Reef across a year and a half. Coral goes through the process of expelling its algae and therefore its color in response to changes to the climate of the water, including the temperature, light level, and amount of nutrient. The final animation shows the steady destruction of the Harz forest in Germany since 1995. According to DW, the climate change in the area has led to drops that have left many of the trees vulnerable to the pests. Most of these time lapses are powered by imagery from Google Earth. We will regularly update on our state 2022 and climate change. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.